How to cancel your One Life Fitness membership step-by-step guide. Welcome to this quick guide on how to cancel your One Life Fitness membership. First of all, it's important to check your membership agreement. This document will outline the specific terms and conditions for canceling, such as the required notice period, potential cancellation fees, or whether you are in a contract period. You can typically find this in your email inbox or the membership portal. The next step is to contact the specific One Life Fitness location where you signed up. Some gyms require in-person cancellations, while others may offer cancellation via phone or email. Check with your local gym to see what their process is. If your gym allows cancellations via mail or email, you will need to write a cancellation letter. Include your name, membership number, the reason for cancellation, and your signature if it's a letter. Once you have submitted your cancellation request, don't forget to follow up. It's a good idea to check back with the gym within a week or two to make sure your request was processed. You should also monitor your bank account to ensure no further payments are taken. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.